Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to connect your YouTube account to Activision ID. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So first of all you need to log in into your YouTube account, or you need to log in into your Gmail ID and you need to visit on YouTube. And once you click on YouTube, you will see you need to click on your profile icon, and when the pop-up will open, you need to click on settings, and once you click on settings you will see these options like account, notification and connect apps. Once you click on connect apps, you will see there is an option like Activision ID, connect your account which approved event. You need to click on connect, and once you click on connect, you will see you need to click on continue, and it will pop up a new window. You need to log in into your account by providing email ID, password and click, then you need to sign in. Okay, and that's it. By using this method you can easily connect your Activision ID to YouTube. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.